So this is pretty much my setup. All Kempo guys. Love their stuff. This is also a great tool. A little small leaf blower. You can get little water pockets like where the mirror's at, side skirts, wheels. Comes in handy. My pressure washer is by Greenworks. It's 2000 psi. Works pretty great. This right here is a good tool. So basically it's a filter. It definitely doesn't leave water spots. It actually leaves the vehicle clean. I never see water spots when using this. I've been using it for about 3 weeks now. Everything's good on it.